So my Hollywood wood mirror has just been delivered. Just need to get it out of its box. And there you go, guys, look at that. That is so big. I don't think my camera is doing it justice. I'm just gonna now tidy all of my area and I will be back to discuss. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. I am holding the camera because my tripod is set away, and this video is kind of a little bit unexpected. I knew I was getting a delivery of said item, but I didn't know it was going to come today. Didn't know I was going to have time to set it up today, and etc, etc. You may be able to see what I'm talking about behind. No, I would have already inserted the clips of me and my stepdad kind of like building the mirror and setting it all up. So basically this video is just like an unboxing and a little review, a little quick talk about the mirror that I have just kindly been very kindly, might I add, gifted by Hollywood Mirrors. So behind me you can see the Hepburn mirror. Now this is 60 by 80 in height, and honestly I thought it was going to be a lot smaller when I selected what one I wanted, because there's so many different shapes and sizes on their website. Literally you could get a mirror to fit anything. You can get ones that are on stands, or you can get ones that go on the wall. I picked one that was on a stand just so that I can move it around if I wanted to and place it in different areas of my room. And I went for the Hepburn mirror. So as I said before, it's 60 by 80 and it's absolutely huge and beautiful. I'm going to just show you close up in a minute. I will actually have a discount code for you guys, so I'm going to leave it in the description below. So definitely, if you are interested in getting one of these mirrors, I know that they are pretty expensive, so it makes me even more grateful that I've been gifted this. Like honestly, it's thank you so much. I feel so grateful. But yeah, if you did want to save yourself a little bit of money and you have been thinking about getting one of these for a while, then definitely check out the discount code that I'll leave below for you guys. So anyway, let's talk about the mirror. I'm gonna switch you around. So anyway, this is the mirror. I am obsessed with it. I can't even fit the whole thing in the frame. There you go. So this is obviously where I normally film, so I think I'm going to be able to change my setup and have it in so many cute different ways. Obviously I've got my little setup over there, but yeah, absolutely obsessed with this mirror. It is so big. So I'll show you what it looks like. I've just kind of popped it here, and then I can put my little chair in. It looks really cute with my little chair. I'll show you it on. So it has actually got a dimmable switch. The bulbs that come with it, so all the bulbs are supplied with the mirror, and this isn't even on like the highest setting. And the bulbs are very white. They're like very cool. There's no warm tones in there, so really nice for doing your makeup. I'm just going to show you how bright this gets. So if you just stay looking, obviously, because that's all I'm going to show you, but just watch. So obviously that's off. And it just gets so bright. Look at that. So that is the brightest that it goes. It literally illuminates my entire room. But the thing that I'm so excited about with this is, I don't know where to look. Like, do I look at, I'll look at the camera in here. So what I'm so excited about this is because whenever I do my makeup, I always, like, I have basically, when I film, and if you can see, I have this little plastic table, so it's just on fours, and basically when I film, I pull the table out and I set up my camera like back here with my lights and everything, and it's all set back up there. So then obviously my background is this wall, that obviously you'll probably recognise it from my background. And whenever I film, I always pull that table out and set my ring light up so that I can do my makeup in a good light. But basically, which means that every time I want to do my makeup with a light, unless I just decide that I don't want to do my makeup with a nice light, I have to pull that table out, set up my like mirror on top of it, then I have to obviously bring all my makeup up, set the light up, and it's just a lot of faff. Whereas this this mirror now has just basically allowed me to just sit here. So I've got my makeup there, I literally just have to sit here and do my makeup, and honestly, it sounds like such a small thing, but I'm so happy about it, honestly. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. I feel so lucky. It's such good quality. It is so heavy and sturdy. My stepdad was saying, like, when we was getting it out of the box, he was like, I can't believe how like well made it is. All the bulbs like kind of screw in, so just screw. You would have seen me setting it up, but yeah, love it so much. I basically just wanted to give you a little review and rundown. I know I've heard a lot of people have ordered like mirrors before from companies online, and the mirrors have come broken, or the mirrors have never turned up, or the mirrors have come smashed, and then there's like no one to get hold of and stuff. But literally the communication with me and the girls at Hollywood Mirrors has literally been so attentive and constant. Like, if I've had any questions or anything, they literally reply within a day maximum. And everything came so securely packaged. I will show, I think you'll see it in the beginning of me unboxing it, but I will show you again anyway. I actually won't show you now, so excuse what it looks like now. But basically you get the box delivered, and it comes in this massive box, and then inside that box there's all of this polystyrene basically holding this other smaller box in place. And this is got like, this is like wood, and then inside that you've got all the other polystyrene as well. So it came so securely packaged, and there's literally no marks on it, no breaks, no chips, no absolutely nothing, and I'm just so obsessed with that. It looks so beautiful. I just wanted to film a quick little video and just give you a little review, because I just feel so grateful and lucky that I was gifted this. I know that it is such an expensive item, and when I first started like decorating my room, maybe like 3 or 4 years ago, I looked into getting one of these mirrors, but I just never actually got around to ordering it because I heard so many horror stories from people. But everything has been so perfect. I've heard nothing but good reviews from them. If you check out their website, they literally have so many different shapes and sizes. This is the Hepburn, and there is so many of, you can get like round ones, you can get vertical, is that, yeah, vertical ones, you can get wall mounted ones, or you can obviously get the stand one, which is what I've got, and it comes on that like wooden plaque. There's so many different ones you can get on there. They literally, and they have the replacement bulbs on there, they've got all the contact details and everything. So yeah, I just wanted to film this really quick little video, just giving you a little review and an unboxing of this amazing mirror that I was very kindly gifted, so thank you so much. But yeah, I'm actually obsessed with it. I can't wait to like do my makeup and everything in it. It's gonna be so much better than having to pull out a table, pull out my lights. Honestly, it makes my room look such a mess when I have all of that out. So the fact that I've now got it here, it is just so perfect. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it like insightful. If you have been thinking about purchasing a mirror from there and you've been thinking about it for a while, then I personally would definitely recommend it. I'll leave a discount code below for you guys. if you did want to shop it, along with the links and the exact one that I have got. But apart from that, I will love and leave you, and I'll see you very shortly for another video. If you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you back here again for another video. And until then, I will love and leave you. Oh, and don't forget to go and follow me over on my Instagram, because I'll be posting lots of pictures with this, no doubt. But yeah, just to keep up with me and see what I'm doing over there. So yeah, I will love and leave you, and I will see you very soon for another video. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.